Hey guys, welcome back to Travel Thala. So today I am in Marottichal Waterfalls in Thrissur, Kerala. So if you go to Thrissur in Kerala, this waterfall is around 22 kilometers away from Thrissur. I think if you are going with family or friends, it's the best place to go and spend of a day actually, because it's a very nice waterfalls, and you can spend time with family, kids and friends. Playing some water games, and also bathing, and you can also see some fishes in the waterfalls. And one more thing, what you notice this year in Kerala, the rain is very less, so that's why you see less waterfall here. Usually it is more than this, and it looks beautiful. So if you are planning to go, remember, try to go during the rainy season, or whenever the more rain is happening in the Kerala. And if you're watching my video first time, please do subscribe and like it and do share it. And thank you so much for watching this video, and keep in touch with me. You will be seeing multiple videos.